Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tiny kitchen here at Pisang Susu. Today we're gonna make babi pangang. These are lekker. Nice, I like it. I need more hoisin sauce, sorry. Okay, huh? So I'm going to take out this inside hartstikke idee.
Fast forward. Blooper tape.
Yeah. Gaat ie. Ik denk toch even moeten wachten. Even wachten moeten we nog. Still juicy. Oh. This tastes so fresh, people. Oh. So now, let's open this one. Niks. Ja, dat is ook heel leuk, de bloopers. There you go. I have to take out the meat and I use a vegetable. What is it? And I use this. That works pretty good. Warm. Endive. Everything sticks together because the endive is nice and warm and wet. Endive. 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 Endive.
Okay. 3. Whatever.
First I add the egg. Then I add vanilla sugar and salt. Half of the sugar. Butter. Nee, ik weet het niet meer. Ik moet het echt even opzoeken. Sorry. Whoops. Right. I love this sauce. I'm gonna make duck breast. Nee. Now my pork chops have been in the pan. So now my ginger sauce has
Nee, sorry. Ik loop eerst naar je toe en dan kan je praten als ik bij je ben.
So now my ginger sauce use, well, nice vinegar, good vinegar. This is apple vinegar.
Wait.
Ga ik ze nog steeds een
Recording.
I'm going to repeat this about 4 times. Oh well. So now take your bika almond out of the oven. Place it in the middle of the oven. Turn it on regular heat, so that's heat from below and above. And turn the heat on to 180 degrees Celsius. Nee joh, ja wel.